to Marketing Capstone. I am Dana Hall, and I will be your instructor in this course. The marketing world has always been an exciting, dynamic, ever-changing experience, and it also offers incredible marketing career opportunities. The availability of media technology and media options have absolutely exploded over the past 10 to 15 years, and makes it even more exciting. In fact, that's one of the reasons why U.S. advertising expenditures are increasing. Forbes, in a current article, just projected that the current 2021 expenditures are projected at $284 billion, and that's supposed to go up to $300 billion in 2022. And that means that marketers are investing in their brands. But with all of these options and choices and changes going on, it can be a bit like being in Times Square, not knowing where to focus. So the marketer's job is solving a puzzle. And we are assembling those pieces of the puzzle, and we'll be looking at that over the course of this semester. And you'll be looking at how to apply both traditional and digital media to create the most efficient and effective marketing plan for your brand. And so essentially, you are solving the puzzle by using your knowledge in putting this together. So why is this important to you? Well, the demand for marketing talent is projected by the U.S. Department of Labor to increase 10% over the next few years to 2025. And if you take a look at the demand for marketing talent by function, it's broad in scope, ranging McKinsey Marketing Partners documents the need for digital marketing knowledge, creative services, traditional marketing, marketing operations, research and analysis, relationship management, communications, product marketing, and obviously more. So this is a course important to your own career. And I've designed this course for your success. We will be building a community of inquiry. We find that engaged learning actually leads to enhanced learning, and we'll be doing this through collaborative discussions, relevant readings, and relevant assignments. So what does success look like for you? By the end of this course, you will be able to apply critical thinking and problem-solving skills to identify a brand's current marketplace position and its current competitive challenges. You'll be able to assess the current situation and apply your own insights to identify brand goals and demonstrate communication and technology skills important to building customer relationships. You'll also apply knowledge about consumer demographics and psychographics to develop a very specific target audience profile, and you'll learn how to use inbound and outbound marketing tools to move customers from awareness to becoming loyal users. And you'll put this all together in a comprehensive marketing plan. So just a little bit about me, your facilitator. I come from a background of advertising of over 25 years of broad experiences with a range of different brands. I moved into higher education and teaching in 2005. I'm certified in digital marketing. I hold a PhD in communication studies, an MBA, and a BA in art. And as we work together, I will be sharing you what I have learned working on some of these major brands that you see pictured here, from Advantage, Flea Control, and Canine Advantage, two brands that I launched, Lufthansa Airlines, L'Oreal Hair Products, Brown-Forman Distillers, Alka-Seltzer, Haagen-Dazs, and many more. So let's get started. Don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. I'm Dana Hall. My email address is dlh@Reinhardt University, reinhardt.edu. I look forward to working with you.